Are small repairs piling up on your chore list? Do you need help with plumbing, electricals, patchwork and more? Are you tired of waiting for workmen that don't turn up? Well, wait no more. Call Travtus Workforce at 022 655 4747. No more quotes or negotiation. We cover all of your repairs from 631 rupees per month. We provide quality service and the best workmen. So, stop filling your weekends with worry and treat yourself to unlimited repairs all year long. Yes, unlimited repairs. Visit our website today to become a member and to protect your home. Travtus Workforce. One price, one number, unlimited service.
Created using Powtoon.